Hello, and welcome to today's video all about boosting your immune system naturally. As we navigate our daily lives, it's important to find ways to strengthen our body's defenses against viruses and illnesses. So, in this video, we'll be providing you with some tips and tricks to boost your immune system naturally. Firstly, let's look at the types of food we consume. Eating a healthy, well-balanced diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables can provide your body with the necessary vitamins and nutrients it needs. Foods high in vitamin C, such as oranges, strawberries, and broccoli, can help boost your immune system. Garlic is also an excellent choice because it contains a high concentration of sulfur compounds that have been proven to boost immunity. Another critical factor to consider is staying hydrated. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water per day can help flush out toxins, which can help to prevent infections and boost your immune system. Additionally, drinking herbal teas like ginger and turmeric teas can also help strengthen your immune system. The next factor to consider is getting a good night's sleep. When we sleep, our body produces cytokines, which are proteins that help fight infections. So, it's essential to prioritize quality sleep. Not only will it help with our immune system, but it will also benefit our overall health and well-being. Exercise is another important element in immune system boosters. Regular exercise can help improve the circulation of white blood cells, which is responsible for fighting infections. Even light exercise, such as a daily walk, can help boost your immune system, so make sure to get moving. Next on the list is stress management. Stress can have a significant impact on our bodies and can weaken our immune system. Finding ways to manage stress, such as through yoga, meditation, or even a simple breathing exercise, can help reduce stress and improve overall health. Finally, consider adding some immune-boosting supplements to your diet. Vitamin D has been shown to have many benefits for the immune system, and zinc is another essential mineral that can help improve our body's defenses against illnesses and viruses. In conclusion, boosting your immune system naturally involves maintaining a healthy diet, staying hydrated, getting quality sleep, exercising regularly, managing stress, and adding immune-boosting supplements to your diet. Implementing these strategies into your daily life will help support and strengthen your immune system, helping you stay healthy and protected from viruses and illnesses. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video was helpful. Like and subscribe for more health-related videos.